So let's take a look at what we got from the farmer's market this week. I pre-order all of my eggs and my meat and pick it up at the farmer's market through a local farm called Three Sisters at Tomball Farmer's Market, in Tomball, obviously. But I typically only order once or twice a month the meat, and I order the eggs once or twice a month as well. But I got four whole chickens, and I got 2 pounds of ground beef. And that chicken should last me for the month, but probably get more ground beef before the end of the month. I also got some tomatoes, some zucchini, and some cucumbers because I don't have as many coming in the garden, and we're going to make some pickles here in a little bit, so I wanted to make sure I had enough. And I think I got some Brussels sprouts too, but you can't see those because they're at the bottom of the bowl. Then in the garden, we have our first really big full haul. I was also preparing to go out to the ranch, so I had to pick some stuff for that. So we got mustard greens, and we got rosemary and dill and basil and garlic chives, and I got green beans and then green lima beans, which you can eat kind of like a snow pea whenever they're young and green, and then lettuce from the garden and some cucumbers, and I feel like I'm forgetting some stuff, but it was a pretty good haul. What do you think? Thank you and have a nice day.